In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cash App to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Cash App set up as a manual payment option so your customers can pay you directly through Cash App during checkout. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see the standard overview of your store, orders, products, and so on. This is your starting point for all store settings. From here, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the options that control how your store behaves, including your payment methods. Once you're in the Settings area, find and click on Payments. This page shows you all the payment providers and methods currently enabled on your store, like Shopify Payments or PayPal, as well as manual payment options. Scroll down until you see the section for manual payment methods. These are payment types that don't automatically process through a gateway, but instead give customers instructions to pay you outside Shopify. Click on the button to add a manual payment method. From the list of options that appears, select Cash on Delivery, often labeled as COD. We're going to repurpose this COD method to act as your Cash App payment option, since Shopify doesn't have a built-in Cash App integration. Once the COD setup window opens, you'll see a field called Additional Details. Click into that empty field. Here, you want to clearly explain to your customers exactly how to pay via Cash App. You can type something like, launch the Cash App application on your mobile device and transfer the exact sum displayed on this checkout page to the recipient named Insert Your Cash Tag. Alternatively, you can click the provided link to proceed, add your link here. In the Cash App For Add Notes section, include the complete name you used when placing this order. This will allow us to verify that the order belongs to you and initiate its immediate processing. Make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual cash tag and any direct link you want customers to use. Next, move down to the Payment Instructions field. This text appears to customers after they place their order, so it should confirm what happens next. Type something like, upon receiving your Cash App payment, we will validate your order and notify you via email that it is being fulfilled. This reassures customers that you'll check for the payment and then start processing their order. When you're happy with the wording, scroll down and click on Activate Cash on Delivery. This will save your settings and turn this method on as a payment option. Now, when customers check out on your store, they'll be able to choose this method and follow your instructions